everyone. It is Thursday afternoon here, May 1st, at KIT Iizuka, class number 4 for English 2C. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be doing here for class number 4. First thing is I want to make sure that everybody has downloaded this software called, Quizlet right here. You don't have to do it right now, but if you already did it, that's great. But for most of you, you weren't in the class when we downloaded this, so we're all going to make sure that everybody has it, because we're going to be using it a lot in this class. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then I'll show you how to use it with the Quizlet material that we have for this week, which is right here. Okay, I'll show you how to use that too. Also this week, you have your first homework, okay? And I'll just enlarge this a little bit for chapter 1. So the way that I have you do your homework is, this is from your textbook. In your textbook, pages 13 to 14, if you open that up, you can see what you have to do. There's some listening that you have to do, a little bit of vocabulary work, pages 13 to 14. So do that, and you can write the answer in the textbook. That's fine, it's your book. I don't suggest you do that. I suggest you take the question and you put the answers on another piece of paper. Okay. And you write the answers on that piece of paper. Now make sure you clearly say page 13, introduction, question 1, answer. So I can see what you're writing. That way, your textbook always stays clean. Now that's important because next year, if your textbook is very nice and very clean, you can maybe sell that to somebody else next year. That's okay, a lot of people do it, no problem. But if you have written the answers in the textbook, nobody else can use it because the answers are already there. Well, okay, you could sell that to somebody else, but they probably won't want it. And if I see that you have answers in your textbook, I will take it away. You have to buy a new textbook. You can buy it from the bookstore, or you can buy it from somebody else. If your textbook is nice and clean, then you can do that. Now, that is the homework, and what you have to do is click on the title and, click on the title, and then either in the textbook or on the paper, take a picture and send it up to the first homework, just like a reflection, okay? So I always want you to write by hand, take a picture, and send it up, just like a reflection. The homework is the same way. Okay, bless you. Okay? Okay, next. I want to do an in-class writing today, so do that at the end of the class. At the end of the class, I want you to do an in-class writing for about 10 minutes, based on a very simple question. And that simple question is, right here. What do you think is better, YouTube or Instagram? We'll do that at the end of the class. The reason why is because, I don't know about you, but I don't think you're going to be a problem, but last year in my second year class, there were too many students using ChatGPT and Google Translate, so I had to think of a new way to make sure that nobody was tempted to use it. And I'll explain a little bit more, but that's the reason why we're doing this in-class writing. Now that in-class writing should give you the idea that it's actually very easy to do your reflection, which is your last assignment here, okay? I want you to watch this video, take a look at the video, think about your own ideas, and answer this question. Write one paragraph, or maybe more, but basically write, just like with the in-class writing, your ideas after you watch the video and what it means for your English learning. Okay? Talk a bit more about that later as well. The last thing, second to last actually, is you have a listening quiz. You have a listening quiz, and basically this is a quiz that should take you about 20 minutes. Only about, less than 20 minutes. And if you feel that you want to try again, it's okay, try it up to 3 times. And Moodle will remember your best score. Okay? So whether it was the first time score. So feel free to take it 3 times and do your best to get a good score before May 11th. So you have 10 days to do this listening quiz. Okay? Otherwise, okay. Next time, please write your full name. Okay? Suzuki Taro. This really doesn't mean much to me. Okay? If I just go Koji, I don't know who that is. Okay? When you write your name, you always write your full name. Okay? Okay, good. Next time. Okay. Okay, so, if you have any questions, always remember that my email is right here at the top, and you can use that to contact me about any problems that you might have, or you can always come and talk to me here in class. Does anyone have any questions right now? No? Okay, thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.